how to check your internet speed. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If your internet seems sluggish, I'm going to walk you through 3 reliable ways to check your actual internet speed. So let's dive right in. So first is know what speed you're paying for. Before testing anything, it's important to know the speed you're supposed to be receiving. This information is provided by your internet service. So here in my case, I have Storm Fiber. So you can simply head over to the provider and check what is the Mbps of the internet. You can usually view your plan details by logging into your provider's website and clicking on something like Explore Plans. So you can test through your internet provider websites or apps. Most ISPs offer a built-in speed test tool on their website or mobile application. It might look slightly different depending on the provider, but you'll usually find a check speed or run speed test button. What I like about this method is that it checks the speed from your provider to your modem or gateway, essentially the direct line from their network to your home equipment. Since that's the closest point of contact, this number should be very close to your promised speed. So here you can simply head over and see the download and upload speed according to your provider. So that's a big difference. You can simply head over and check the test from your computer. So you can usually get around the difference of like 300 to 200 up and down. So something may be affecting the current speed. The next thing is that you can head over to Google and search for built-in speed text. So you can simply head over to Google and search for speed test. So simply type that down, and here we have speed test by Ookla. So you can just simply head over and check any of the speed tests over here. You can see we have fast.com, we have Speak Easy Internet, and then we have speed test custom. And the third one that is really good one is the Ookla one. So you're gonna head over to Ookla, and then over here you're gonna simply click on go and simply wait for it to navigate and test your internet. And here just wait for the progress bar to get completed so that it's gonna basically visualize and just measure your internet speed. So here you can see the download speed over here, and this is basically the pink. So just wait for it, and now you can see the download one is 15.29. That is quite good. And then they're gonna just run a test for the upload Mbps. So just wait for that. Just wait for the progress bar to get completed. And once it's done, you'll be able to see the upload speed as well. So this is quite good. The speed is really good. And you can basically change server if you want. And that is how you can, just run a speed test. And there is a bonus tip that you can simply restart your equipment if the speed is not fine. So you can simply, restart your router or modem. So basically, many providers even have a restart option in their application or account dashboard. So just be aware doing this will temporarily disconnect your internet while the equipment reboots, but in 90% of the cases, the issue is fixed. So if you still have the issue, you can disconnect unused devices or contact your provider. So that wraps up our quick guide on checking your internet speed and resolving slow connections. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.